In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Wix website look professional, step by step. Let's get started on transforming your site into a polished, engaging platform. First, open Google Chrome or any browser of your choice. This is where you'll begin the process of enhancing your website's appeal. Once your browser is up, head over to the Wix website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and click on the login button, which you can find at the top right corner of the page. It's straightforward. Just enter your credentials or continue through the Google login option to simplify the process, especially if you've linked your accounts already. Now, once you're logged into your Wix account, navigate to your site dashboard. Here you'll find the site design section. This is the hub where you'll make changes that can dramatically improve your website's aesthetic. Click into this section, and from there, you want to proceed to the color theme settings. Choosing the right color scheme is crucial. It can set the tone for your entire website. Aim for a clean, modern palette that resonates with your brand and is visually soothing to your visitors. Next up, let's talk about templates and fonts. Within the color theme section, you'll see various templates that offer different layout options. Choose one that not only looks contemporary, but also aligns with what your site represents. After selecting a template, it's time to pick your fonts. Professional fonts like Montserrat, Lotto, or Open Sans can significantly enhance readability and give your site a more polished feel. Don't underestimate the power of good typography. It plays a pivotal role in user experience. Moving on to the organizational structure of your website, find and select the menus and pages option located on your dashboard. It's critical to have an intuitive navigation menu limited to 4 to 6 main items such as home, about, services, portfolio, or blog, and contact. This keeps your site uncluttered and helps your visitors find information easily, which is essential for maintaining a user-friendly interface. Lastly, remember to save your changes. After ensuring that all your modifications reflect the professional image you're aiming for, hit that publish button. Take a careful look around your site to see that everything appears as you envisioned. That sums it up. Following these steps will greatly improve your Wix site's professional appeal, making it not only aesthetically pleasing but also more functional. Thank you for watching, and I hope these tips help you on your way to creating a stunning Wix website. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy designing!